Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fishers Off-Road, and in today's video we're going to be installing the Fab 4 semi-hidden winch mount kit into our 2017 Mercedes Sprinter van. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is print out your installation manual from Fab 4's, and then you'll want to go through all the materials that were shipped to you in the kit. Make sure you have everything, then lay out all your tools. One of the things you'll notice in the installation manual is the instructions and the pictures and details are very clear, and that's really going to help you to get this job done. Now that we have everything laid out and we know what we're doing, we're going to go ahead and start disassembling the front of the van. Whenever it comes to trimming your front stock bumper, this is the part that has some folks a little bit uneasy. But don't worry, just follow the instructions that Fab 4's has in place. This is a super easy thing to do. You just want to make sure you measure twice and cut once. You'll get your tape on there, then you'll get your winch mount shell over top and you'll trace the line out. You'll measure in 2 inches and then you'll have your cut line, and everything will look fine when it's all done. But I know it can be a little bit nerve-wracking whenever it comes time to cut your front bumper. We're at the point in the install now where we have the winch tray on. We've got our worn Xeon 12S winch on here, and then after we get done putting the Spydura synthetic rope on, we're going to go ahead and put our bumper on itself and then the cover. So it'll be the winch mount shell that goes over top of everything. One thing you want to make sure you remember whenever you're doing a synthetic rope is you want to put your sleeve over the rope before you install it, because if you put your rope on the drum, you can't get this on because this end is like this and it won't go over that. So then you have to take your synthetic rope back out and put this on. Now that we have our synthetic rope on and our front bumper, we're at the point where we can add a 20-inch light bar if we want to this shell. So we're going to go ahead and do that before we mount this up. Now, if your vehicle has the front sensors and you don't want to run a light bar, then you'll need the installation manual for M6750. Well, now we're down to the final steps. We're going to get our fair lead on and our hook on, and then we're going to get the front end all buttoned up and we'll be done. All right, y'all, that's it. That's a wrap on our Fab 4 semi-hidden winch mount kit for our 2017 Sprinter van, and I gotta tell you, it turned out great. I didn't want some big, ugly, bulky chunk of metal hanging off the front, and this turned out really, really good. It's super clean, tucked in there. It almost looks factory. If you guys want more information on this, check out fab4s.com. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.